Hello. Today I'm going to fix these two table lamp. They told me these are dead. They are not working. So let's see what's the problem. Open first box. Here is our light. This is something like this. So it has a on-off switch behind this unit. Turn it on, nothing happened. No light, turn off. Insert the charger and we can see a red LED in here. A red LED is glowing in this hole. So that means the charging system is okay. So now I will open this unit and see why it's not working. It has 5 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open them all. What is this? Looks like here is a touch sensor type thing. That means maybe our light is okay, because we don't even notice that here is a touch switch. And after open the case, I see this. So let's face the truth. Turn on, touch it. You see, the light is actually okay. Touch it again, turn off, touch it again, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn on, turn on, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. That means the light is 100% okay. Oh, this is not good for my video. It will be a very short video. Just I have to tell you that this type of table lamp has a touch switch in here. Oh no. So screw them again. Okay, turn off my light and now you'll see better. Touch. Put it in the box, and we have another box, and I'll see does it have any fault or it is also a good unit. This one is pink. Okay, turn on the switch, touch. Oh no, this one is good too. My video, every gadget has manuals, but nowadays we are so smart and we don't read them. Not the manual, not even the instructions on the box. And this over-smartness makes us fool. Sometimes we have to read our manuals. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I am grateful for your support.